In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about how to appeal when both your Facebook and Instagram accounts are banned together because they are linked to one another. Your account gets banned and then you appeal, they get unbanned, and again they are banned. This loop, how to break it. This is what I'm going to speak to you in the video for today. So watch my video completely till the end to get a possible solution to this problem. The worst part about your Facebook and your Instagram account being linked and they're banned together is that even if you appeal and both your accounts are unbanned and you're using it for a day or two, there's a high probability that your account is going to get banned again. Your accounts get banned again because they were linked, and you appeal again and they're unbanned. Again, they get banned. You are in this never-ending loop. Do you know why this is happening to a lot of people worldwide? It is simply because of the fact that most of these social media companies have started using AI in their systems. So even if their systems have the slightest of doubt on your account, they're going to ban it without any kind of a warning or any kind of a valid reason. They're just going to ban your account. So we have come up with few other ways to try and appeal and get your accounts unbanned quickly. So the first thing is, once you realize that your accounts are in a meta suspension loop, what you could do is get onto Google and do a search for unban my Facebook account. That's it. Simple and easy. Okay. The first suggestion is what you're going to click on. My personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. All right. This is not just for your personal Facebook account. It could be your business page. It could be your Facebook page or whatever. You get directed to this page on Facebook Help Center. You scroll down a bit. You could see that you have a feedback box. Was this helpful? Just click on no. And then you get a pop-up message like this. Click on any one of these answers. Maybe the second one, the solution doesn't work. Click on select. You get a message box. Here, you could send an appeal note to Facebook telling them that your Facebook and Instagram accounts were banned together because they were linked and there is no valid reason. Or if you had committed a small violation, you could ask them for forgiveness. You could speak to them nicely or type a message out here nicely telling them that you're not going to do anything wrong in the future. You're going to be careful about it, to give you a chance and stuff like that. Try and see if these guys can help you out. They are going to respond to you via email. Try and connect with that person at customer support and see if they can help you unban your accounts. Now, apart from this, there are a lot of ways to get in touch with Facebook. I have made a couple of videos. You could watch this video of mine to understand how you could email these guys and try and unban your account and stuff like that. But if none of these methods are working, you could also try one unique method to get your accounts unbanned. You could do it through WhatsApp. If you have a WhatsApp for Business account, this is what you need to do. Get hold of your phone, open WhatsApp for Business, or if you do not have WhatsApp for Business, download it, sign up with a different number, and then get on to WhatsApp for Business. Okay. After you do that, click on Tools. You get directed to this page. Click on Meta Verified, and you're going to get directed to this page on which you could apply for Meta Verified for your WhatsApp account. Okay. You could get business standard or whatever. Select your Meta Verified account type and then sign up for it. Okay, it's pretty cheap. It's like approximately 639 Indian rupees per month. The business standard, which is the lowest package, it is like approximately $5 or something per month. Pretty okay, pretty cheap. You could sign up. So when your WhatsApp for Business account is approved for Meta Verified, you are going to get priority support or enhanced support. You could actually speak to a customer support rep out there and tell them about your Facebook and Instagram accounts also. Yes, you could do that. Give it a try. And especially if you're innocent, you haven't done anything wrong, these guys are actually going to find out about it and they are going to help you to get your accounts back. Just let me know if this doesn't work, and I'm going to look for more solutions to this problem. So if you like the video for today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.